Most people get DeFi platforms wrong by assuming they are risky and complicated, but Stargate Finance offers a secure, user-friendly way to move assets across multiple blockchains. Today, I'm sharing my experience using Stargate Finance and what you need to know before diving in. Stargate Finance is a cross-chain liquidity transfer platform that allows you to send assets seamlessly between supported blockchains. The surprising truth is how fast and cost-effective it can be compared to traditional bridges. Most people get this wrong by assuming every cross-chain transfer is slow or expensive. The interface is clean, showing your connected wallet, supported chains, and available assets. To use the platform, you select your source and destination chains, the token you want to transfer, and the amount. Stargate then calculates fees and estimated delivery time. Transactions are usually confirmed in minutes. Depending on network congestion, liquidity providers earn fees, so the platform incentivizes participation, while users benefit from low slippage and transparent pricing. One thing to note is that you need to have a wallet like MetaMask or Trust Wallet to interact with the platform. Security is taken seriously. Stargate uses audited smart contracts, but as with all DeFi platforms, it's important to only transfer amounts you are comfortable risking and to double-check addresses before confirming transactions. In conclusion, Stargate Finance is a reliable option for anyone looking to move assets across chains efficiently. Its simplicity, speed, and security make it a strong choice for both new and experienced DeFi users. Subscribe for more honest DeFi platform reviews so you can navigate crypto safely.